Okay, this is Taipa Central Park, so we're gonna walk probably along that side of it right there, and kind of show you all around it as well. Kind of a cool little space. It's like a cubicle of radiating lights that just surround you on all descend on this little park right there. There's I'll tell you more about it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's Taipa Central Park. Let me turn it around this way. Over there is IKEA. So there's an IKEA right here, and this is kind of the flagship of this area now. Well, this is one side of the flagship of this area, and then way down there is the Skyway. These are both new, so both of these sides are new. When I first came to Macau 8 years ago, you had this wall of buildings. I think that one was there too, and then this one, but that one there wasn't the Skyway that we're going to see at the end of this video. So it was basically I felt like it was a little bit far removed from the rest of Taipa, but now it's like a central piece of this Taipa area. It's pretty cool. And yeah, this is actually a large shopping mall now called Nova. There's Nova right there. And then about a year ago, IKEA opened up first, and then all the other places opened up slowly as well. And now it's a full-on shopping mall, and it's actually the only one in Macau that's like that. The casinos all have shopping malls, but that's the only one that's like a real shopping mall. So they have, you know, like Christmas stuff for kids and all the normal shops that you'd see anywhere. I do kind of want to show you this real quick too. That right in there, let's walk in there a little bit. We'll just view from this side. Yeah, it's a COVID era, so to go in I have to do a health check and things like that. But you can see there's a lot of stuff inside, right? So a lot of people can just walk around, and you can see some walkers right over there coming this way. And it's all enclosed by these gates, so if you have kids they can play in this play area, and you can kind of make sure that they don't just wander off too easily. And then there's also like I think there's a football, basketball or soccer over that way, and there's another one on the other side as well, and there's also a library. So you have all kinds of stuff in this type of Central Park. Yeah, and the most interesting thing to me is just being surrounded by this wall of, yeah, there's the swimming pool is kind of a key one in there, and that's really interesting because at that swimming pool, you know, when you look up you just see like a wall of this on both sides, right? It's quite interesting. You just kind of imagine all these people living their lives like just all looking down at the swimming pool. And the swimming pool is pretty central. You'll see right here. Down here there's 2 stories that go down into the parking, so you can also park in this area too. So, and it's a pretty big parking lot, so you probably almost always find spaces. This right here is a little dog park. So as you can see, like a little dog house thing, so you can bring your dogs and walk around in this area. Okay, let's keep on going. Over there is a mini bar. So there's some nice restaurants and bars over here. So that's a mini bar, karaoke and bar. And then down there is an Indian restaurant. And there's a few other things down here. Portuguese Pharmacy. I'm sure we'll see all those when we get a little closer to them. I like these lightings too. These beautiful lanterns, I guess you'd call them. It's nice. Okay. So yeah, this is the dog park, as you can see. There's dogs in here. Oh. Whoa. Guess I better get out of there. Making me nervous. Okay. So pretty soon we'll be able to see the swimming pool. And that's pretty nice. I think that's kind of that's right in the middle of it. So, you know, when you're in there, here's where you can come in. There's just a couple entrances with COVID. In general, the gates are always here, but most of the gates are closed now. And then on that side is the swimming pool, which is closed right now. It's cold. It's November. So, but that would be over where this green and yellow would be. So, and there's like a changing room, and then where that is at, there's a swimming pool. Can't really see it. Okay. Let's just see here. There's the Portuguese Pharmacy. That's Indian Garden over there. So that has one of the better Indian restaurants. Well, actually, all the Indian restaurants in Macau are good, as they are everywhere in the world. But that one is pretty good too. Private Party is another bar. I think the last time I was in here, I walked down there, and let me just see. Over there is the swimming pool still, so I don't think you can really see it. Let me just see. Let's see if we can walk into this. Let's take a look here. Okay, so there we go. That's the inside of Taipa Central Park. Pool is closed because it's too cold, and it's also at nighttime. But it's nice. You can also work out in some of these machines over here too. Okay. So let's keep on going. And then some of these have stairs that you can park, that you can walk down to the parking garage, and some of them have elevators. So this one's an elevator. So if you got to go down 2 stories, you just take the elevator down to the parking garage. Oh, this is a little kiosk in here. So you can see that right there. There's some tables all set up, so I think it's more common in the daytime. Okay, so we're still strolling down our park, Taipa Central Park. There's all kinds of stuff here. Let's just see here. Give you the whole full feeling, right? Then when we get up to the front up here, you can see how it's grounded by the shopping mall, Nova Grand Shopping Mall with the IKEA. It's brand new. And then it grounds itself to this other location, which is the let me see, I'm also going to go up to this space for a second here too, grounded by the Skyway. Okay, so in there is a library. Can't really see it through the beautiful trees, but there's a library that goes down underground, and if you park in the garage, you can have access to it. Oh, that's the parking. That's the library right there. That one. And over here is a soccer, and on the other side is basketball. And you can see it right here. There's a football field, library, children's park, pool, bathrooms, and basketball court. All written in Portuguese. Okay, dog and cat, La Caesar. Keep on strolling here. And actually, if we go up to the top, which I think we might do, I can show you from the park up there, which I think is a good conclusion for this video. So we probably will do that. Look at all those buildings. Okay. So straight ahead is the Skyway. So that Skyway connects to the light rail transit line, and the light rail transit line later will connect to the immigration points. So another access right there. Actually, this one you used to be able to go through it, but now with COVID, it's blocked. So let's go ahead up. Then we'll get a good view from up here. So yeah, this Skyway is about a year, not even a year old. It's, could open in maybe June or July, something like that. Let's go up and take a look. Oh, we got a little blockage right here. I'll get a better view over on that side. You can see a little bit. Yeah, in this Skyway, that one just goes directly down into the library and the basement, the 2 parking garages. Got a little Skyway here. You can call it Skyway, Skywalk, Skyway. And it's pretty long, you can't see the ends. This way goes all the way down to the light rail transit. It takes about a 15-minute walk maybe. And then this side goes to the other side of Taipa. This road is basically like an east-west Skyway. It goes across east to west. And we're just gonna go up that way and overlook the Central Park. So that'll be our next goal in a moment. And here we go. So now we can briefly see that. And you can see all the lights of both sides, right? Just kind of show you that. Wow, looks beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's really transformed the city, transformed Taipa. Wow, it's like such a different place. It's really grounded this Taipa Central Park in a kind of a destination. It's really amazing. And way on the other side, there's more like downtown Taipa, I guess you'd call it. Kind of a little bit more density in the Taipa village, which has a lot of density in restaurants and bars. So this was always kind of on the periphery part, I always felt. Wow, that really glows, that basketball court right there. I always thought it was more on the periphery and kind of a little bit of a challenge to come up here just to go to this park, but now this park seems like a central key. But also the other ones are pretty well developed too, like Taipa, it's about 4 blocks down behind us. And wow, look at that, just looks so beautiful. That's kind of about 4 blocks that way is kind of the where people usually go shopping. There's a ton of grocery stores and everything you can imagine that you need is in that area. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, that's the library right there too, by the way, that green one. So it's an underground library, so when you're down below you have a little green grass and park and things that you can sit in. Okay, let's just go straight ahead. And what we're going to do is we're just going to show you from the other side, and then I'll show you where the downtown is, or Centro. I guess they call it Centro. Downtown Centro. Let's just see here. I think I'll be able to see it from, just have to walk down a little bit. I was hoping I can find it. It's kind of on that side. So that's the Taipa Centro over there. And we're going to walk directly down this way, and then I'm going to show you down to the right once we get up to that spot. So that's one side, and the other side is going to come up on here. So let's just kind of catch it. There we go, right there. So I guess it's 2 blocks down. There's a McDonald's that's called Flower City, across from the McDonald's, and then there's a bunch of grocery stores all in that area. So actually this is pretty close to here, and now it's kind of transformed the city. And then way down there is City of Dreams. That blue building is Cotai Strip casinos, and that's just ended over here. And now, yeah, this one goes all the way down to down there. Looks nice. And there's a park. So okay, hope you like this one. Make some comments below if you've noticed the transformation of this area. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.